Hello everyone, most welcome to Zylostar.
Another week, another update. The past week has been very eventful. I'm going to be talking about it and the upcoming one.
And let's review the fundamental point of the last week and the coming week. So let's start the fundamental view of the financial markets. I want to start with the last week. Last week, some big companies which are playing a significant role for retail sales and customers' power, like Walmart, published their earnings. We saw a good earning from this mega cap company, and in the earning statements and also comment of the CEO, we got that they mentioned consumers are in good situation, or better to say financial situation. On the other hand, on 14th of August, we got a very hopeful economic indicators about inflation, like producers price index, which is PPI and also CPI, and we got that the inflation started to cool down more in the last month. Same day, we had the monetary policy statement from the Central Bank of New Zealand, and we saw a significant dovish comment from the meeting participants, and they cut interest rate unpredictably. And finally, on 15th of August, we got the retail sales and initial jobless claims from the US, and it raised all the negativities among market participants about recession, and it convinced the investors and also drew a good outlook for US economy. From the geopolitical side, we got pleasant news about ceasefire in the Middle East, and the probability of ceasefire increased in the last week. So these reasons help the global markets to take more risk, and most asset classes showed a jump. So as you can see here, S&P 500 companies also showed a big jump in the last week, and we saw a significant return after those recession scenarios. So let's go also for the coming week. I'm gonna start it through economic indicators. Next week on 20th of August, we have CPI numbers of Canada, and let's see what happened for the inflation on the consumer side in the last month in Canada. Later, the minutes of Federal Reserve will be published, and as you know, minutes maintain all the information about the FOMC meeting, and it can give us a bigger image about the opinion of the FOMC members in the last meeting, which held already, I think, on 13th and 31st of July. Let's dive to the next day, which is Thursday. On Thursday, we have PPI numbers of different countries such as Germany, France, UK, and finally US. Especially for the US, if we are going to see a better than expected on numbers, we can expect a positive pulse in the equities, or better to say equity markets. And same day, we have also one of the most leading indicators for the job sector, which is initial jobless claims for the US. Finally, on Friday, we have a very important meeting which called Jackson Hole Symposium, and Fed Chair Powell and also chairman of the BOE, or better to say Bank of England, has a speech. On the other hand, from the Canada, we have the retail sales numbers at 4:30 p.m. to the Dubai time. Let's crunch the topic more and review the corporate earnings for the coming week. Next week, we have also some earnings like last week. Some earnings like TJX on Wednesday, which is important, like LOW company, like other companies like PWD on Thursday, 22nd of August. Do not forget, if you combine technical with fundamental and market sentiments, you can increase the probability of winning and becoming successful in the financial market.
All right, so let's start our outlook now. Now, starting with Bitcoin, as we can see, Bitcoin on a 1 hour time frame is consolidating in a narrow range around the level of 60,000. Now here we better wait for a break in the channel, either upwards or downwards. And once a break happens, we can have an idea where the market is more likely to go. And this shall happen based on the fundamentals that are coming next week. Till then, we better wait before taking any trades. Now, Going to NASDAQ or US 100. As anticipated last week, the price broke above and continued its up movement to retest the upper resistance, hovering around the level of 19,500s. Now, after the break of this trend line of the downtrend, we can expect the price retracing to the support of 18,800s before continuing its uptrend. Now, going to the dollar index. As we can see, exactly as anticipated, the dollar index continued a down movement within its range of 104 and 102 levels. And from here, we expect the price to keep consolidating and retrace the resistance of the level of 104. So that will be it for these outlooks.
Hello everyone, most welcome on Zylostar. I'm Norhan. In this week, let's take a look with the gold market and the EURUSD market with Zylostar strategies. Okay guys, let's take the gold first. As we can see here, gold has finally broken 2,500 resistance and now is heading towards new lifetime high. It may retrace like this here to 2,500 again before continuing its uptrend. This is regarding outlook of the gold market. Guys, now let's take a look about the EURUSD from here. Okay. As we can see here, the EURUSD last movement has broken the structure, which confirmed for a continuation uptrend. It may retrace to support of 1.09500 and before continuation uptrend till upper channel line here. So guys, thank you so much. Let's meet next week. Do not forget to subscribe on our channels, put like and comment, and let's meet next week.